I got tall forward frames and big screens. My girl speaking Spanish, but she back in Lebanese. Fresh tiger strip, white wine, blue cheese. You need to grow a set and get the fuck up off of these, cuz we on that big boy shit. So what you saying, little nigga? On that big boy shit. So what you saying, little nigga? On that big boy shit. So what you saying, little nigga? On that big boy shit.
I got them big boy rims on my big boy whip. Got that big boy ice, I'm on my big boy shit. Got that big boy check, don't know me. I started at the bottom, but I hustle through the top. If it ain't about the guap, all this talk I need to stop. See, I got enough game, I can make my whip strip. See, my top is coming down when I get inside my shit. And that's just the beginning. Call me the coach, man, my team is still winning. Big boy house with that big boy pool. Stacking big boy money, making big boy moves. You might hear I got some pounds, you might hear I got the bricks. You might see me at the telly with a 5-star bitch. Got that brand new Mercedes on them custom Giovannas. Never seen the big boy stuntin' till I'm holler. Hey, I'm all about a dollar. If they tryna interfere, we gon' hit them with them choppers. Yeah, I said I'm all about a dollar. If they try to interfere, then we gon' hit you with the choppers.
That big boy shit.
Okay, big dick bandit, see if you can handle it. These bitches on me, and these niggas can't stand it. She do it with no hands, so the liquor came in handy. Head